Okay, back again. Latest situation is that I am about to set up the WordPress site. Decided that gonna build so yeah, we're on the WordPress installation. So I think I'll just pull this over here. Gonna have to set a new password. I don't like the ones that Firefox creates, so I'm going to use pwgen dash something, dash some number. Oh no, it's just pwgen and then some number. Yeah, that's it. Gives us a nice long random password. So I paste that in there, and then I'm going to make a note of that. So I'm keeping, cancel that. Yeah, let's just see. I have to put in my email address. Simple growth hacking software, username, password, search engine visibility. I want it to be visible, install WordPress. Save password, yes please. Login. Remember me. Bingo. So let's just check that's working. So this is live. You know what? This doesn't look bad at all. But I'm not familiar with default WordPress themes, so I am going to install a different why is this not working? I thought I set everything up right for this to work. So I have to look, or did I do that on localhost? ls -l, so test10x.com. I know what the problem is. I made the owner myself, and I made the group data. It needs to be the other way around. So I'm going to go chown -r data Debian test10x.com. Okay, and now I try this again. Go to dashboard, update now, current update this version. Yes, okay. So now I'm going to start editing the appearance. So the theme I want to use is Neve. It's nice and fast. That's the main thing I like about it. And simple and clean, and I use it on all my sites. So we need to go to appearance themes and delete these ones that we don't need. I think maybe first have to activate this first. Okay, now I should be able to delete these. Yeah. Maybe I should have deleted the themes off the other site first. It could have saved a bit of time. Anyway, delete. Okay. All right. So here we go, appearance. So back to this, see how things look now. Yeah, very simple. Okay, so I want to disable the footer, or do I? Maybe not yet. I'll delete that sample page. So I want to go to pages, add new page. I'm going to make a home page for this website. Okay, yeah, I know about this stuff. So let's copy what can I use as inspiration? Why am I even using WordPress for this? Oh yeah, it'll be useful in the future for the site. So V0, how did I build this before? Businesses, test10x.com, V1. So if I go to localhost / test10x.com/v1, yeah, that's nice. Okay, so what do I need? I need oh no, not here. Okay, I'm just going to keep that inspiration on my other screen here, just for myself now. So let's see. I think this is the home page, so the title should just be the name of the Test 10x growth hacking software. But appearance, I think I need to make this hidden. So Neve settings, disable title, yeah. Disable header, maybe. Disable footer, yeah. So we want to go put a H1 in here somewhere, heading, and we want to center that, and then we want to go track, analyze, and optimize your growth hacking strategy with test. Would have been quicker to copy and paste that. Let's see, I'll just save draft and preview that to see how things have started off. Okay, I thought I disabled the title. But, oh, that's the header. Disable header. What just happened there? Okay, so now I just need a button. Get started. Now I want this in the middle. No. Okay, now appearance, not, yeah, but button, here we go, styles, background, like this, yeah, it's alright, for now. What? Styles. Right, yeah, decent-ish. So we need a spacer here. Yeah. And another spacer here. Let's see. Okay, looks very bare. I think I need to re-enable the header and customize it. I'll leave this page for a moment and customize the header. So I think, well, what I can do is I can definitely add in a site identity logo. Customizing, what is this? I don't know what this, seems like there's a new version of Maven out. Okay, change logo. So yeah, I could definitely start by uploading a logo, which I can get from my computer test 10x branding logo.webp. Yep, test 10x logo. Site title, growth hacking to track experiments. To track your experiments. Right. Everyone knows it's software. Track your growth hacking experiments. Easily track your growth hacking experiment. No. Grow, accelerate your growth hacks. Decent. So so we can go here. Okay, so we make this the front page. No. Oh, I think I need to click quick edit. Quick edit. No, that wasn't it. So maybe I have to click here and how do I make this the front page? Oh, wait a second, I have to go to settings, general, reading. Static page, home page is home. Wait a second, it was working fine already, wasn't it? Yeah, right, let's see where we're at now. This is not... Where did the button theme get like this? I don't know. Okay, so this logo is obviously way too big, file size wise. So here it is. 15 kilobytes is actually small, so that's fine. I'll leave it as it is. Posts. There was a dummy post there which should be gotten rid of. Alright, so where are we at? We have a blog, homepage. Oh, I'm confused. And is the homepage the same? No, this is a load of nonsense. So get rid of that. And now the URL for this needs to be just like that. Okay. Why not publish? Where does this lead? Yeah, publish that. And now make it the front page. So appearance, no, settings, reading. Your home page displays this thing. Save changes. And now I need a private window to go to see how it looks. test10x.com. Yeah, it looks okay. This takes us to the app. So let's just pause this for a moment. So close, and go pages, and I'm just going to save that, and now we can leave that for a little while, leave that, and yeah, finally our download has completed. So I need to now set hosts. So on my local machine, I'm going sudo nano /etc/hosts and make app.test10x.com localhost. So I can open that up. And it's HTTP. So it's redirecting me to HTTPS. Error establishing database connection. Oh yeah, because it's not enough just to download the WordPress files. I also have to download the WordPress database in order to make this work on localhost. So WordPress is a bit of a pain for this. But that much does work, so yeah, it's worth the pain. It's worth the hassle, I should say. So, so I go to my home directory on my server, and now I'm going to go MySQL dump. Okay, so I've dumped that SQL file, and now I need to go home, and there it is. Where is it? Yeah, I should have called it .sql, so sudo mv test10x.com test10x.com.sql. Better. Okay, refresh and go to Dominic. Yeah, so now I have the WordPress database on my local computer as well, and now I just need to var html. Now I just need to navigate to that directory, and now I see Now I see test10x.com.sql, so sudo MariaDB oh yeah, so MariaDB. First I have to create the database. Create database test10x. Okay, that worked. Create user test10x at localhost identified by okay, so now I need to grant all on test10x dot star to test10x at localhost. Query OK, exit. So now I need to test10x ls. Now I need to oh yeah, sudo MariaDB test10x.com.sql and test10x.com. Oh yeah, it's MySQL dump is what I need to do. Sudo MySQL dump test x.com.sql test10x unknown database. Okay, got that the wrong way around. So MySQL dump test10x comes from test10x.com.sql. And it is just spat out a load of stuff and said dump completed. Wait a second, I was supposed to do app.test10x.com. Okay, back to the server. So at least I can kind of go back through the commands. Test10x app. Okay, refresh. Yeah, this is the one I need now, so delete that. So now I can, on localhost ls, I can see on my local machine test10x underscore app dot SQL. Right, sudo Maria. So I'll just try sudo my SQL test10x from that thing. Oh, it worked. No. So I need to create database test 10x underscore app. Is that right? Yeah. Okay, create user test 10x underscore app at localhost identified IDENTIFIED by and give it the password, Control Shift V to paste into the terminal. You have an error. It's create user better. Okay, now grant all on test10x underscore app dot star to test10x underscore app at localhost. Done. Exit. And now test10x underscore app. Okay, let's see how this goes now. Okay, and slash ideas. Okay, so we have both WordPress and the other stuff installed on localhost now. Now what we want to do is use this. So we go back to our sitemap. So although the directory is like this, we actually just want the home, the root to just redirect to either our ideas. So if the user is not logged in, we just want to redirect to /login, which should exist. No. There's a lot of pages here. Wait, why do we need this plugin at all? And why does it just log me out? Okay, so Dominic. Probably because it's HTTP. Okay, yeah, something's funny going on, but it's alright. Yeah, why do we even need this? Plugins, deactivate. Skip it, deactivate. It's probably still. What if we trash all this stuff? And then we go to Okay. Oh yeah, it works. Okay. Default. Don't really want WordPress default login page for my SaaS business, but maybe for initially it's okay. So what I want is plugins. Yeah, this doesn't work for me. Delete. Okay. What? Oh yeah. So now I'm on localhost. So I need to go. I need to apply the same permissions to test10x.com. Where is it? app.test10x.com. So Control-Shift-C sudo Okay, let's see if that works now. Okay, that works. So where was I? Need to. I don't want that. Oh yeah. So I want a plugin to install custom code. I think this is the name of the plugin I want. Because I want to put in some custom PHP which will determine that when someone hits the home page, the should redirect all users as follow. When they try to access the root directory of the site. app.test10x.com. When they So administrator WordPress dashboard other logged in users app.test10x.com/ideas and users who are not logged in app.test10x.com/login, and we can change that later. I think that's all I need. So don't need that. Or oh wait, completely disable comments. Oh, what did I do? Oh, I meant to keep that. That's a good feature. But anyway, add snippet. Add your custom code. Yeah. It is PHP. Paste. I think one is enough. And save. What's the problem here? Spell check. Active save. Okay, so now if I go to app.test10x.com, oh yeah, it redirects to the login page. But if I do it here, test10x.com, it redirects to WordPress admin, and I am fairly confident it will work for the other people as well. So pages. So how does the login page look? That's an important question, because really we need this to do registration as well. Maybe it should go to register. Yeah, this is not a good login page. What should it really take people to? So let's say, right, so someone goes to test10x.com. They like what they see. They click here, which takes them to register. No, this here needs to take them to login, register. So this is maybe why we do want to enable this plugin. What a nightmare. Yeah, this one, users WP, front-end user profile, user directory, registration, and a login form. So it might look a little bit better than the WordPress default stuff. So let's try activate it. And now all of a sudden we have a load of pages, but at least if we go here, app.test10x.com/register, might look a little bit better. Yeah, a little bit. Okay, what we need to do is change the theme. So get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this, and now we need to add Neve. Install. And activate. and now we can delete this. Okay, so where do we stand now? Yeah, that's a half decent login page if we ignore the horrible header. Okay, well, we can definitely delete both of these pages just to get started. Users, trash. User list item, trash. Refresh. It's a major improvement. All I want is email, password. Why do they have so many fields? So we have form builder. Okay. First name, remove. Last name, remove. Username, remove. Display name, remove. Email, remove. That's better. Huh? Looks like it might be mandatory. Okay, not too bad. I really want the confirmation. That might be a setting. Title, Control F, password. Password settings, show advanced. Placeholder is active, yes. Required display, no. Want to reduce friction. Field key should be a unique name. Huh? So I will refresh this page. Click here. Now it seems to have worked. Beautiful. Okay, I think that's about as good as it's going to get for now. So pages here, password. No, register. So we want to do is disable the title, save, and refresh. Okay, starting to look half decent. We want the logo. So app.test10x.com. Oh, the logo is there. So why is, oh, we just installed Neve, so let's see what's going on here. Change logo. No logo selected, so there. Keep cropping. refresh. Still no logo. General show tagline, show title. Show title, yeah. Logo, publish. Yeah, that was a mistake. Maybe not enough space for this. So on the account page, no, the register page, or login. That looks kind of okay. So we're on test10x.com. We want to sign up. We click here, and then it says login and inspect. So that should say register. So the good thing is, hi, looks like someone's viewing. Put a comment in the chat there. Let's get this thing rolling. To give you a quick update on the situation, this site is live. The tool is pretty much working on my local host, and I have about 3 hours to go to make the challenge. 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah, within 24 hours. It's tight but not impossible. So need to edit this page to link to the right thing. And this, you can actually go on here. This is really live right now. You can go to this. You can actually be the first person. You can probably set your account up right now, even though things won't really work right. But this website is real, and you can go on there, check it out, and hopefully by 8 p.m. tonight it's going to be a whole lot more real, like a real business. So click here. Okay. On to register. Okay. Going to remove a lot of these menu items because they are not needed. So need to go appearance, menus, and create your first menu below. Okay, main nav. So let's go primary menu, save menu, save menu. Edit your menu below. Let's just see what that did. So we will refresh this page. So I'm building, yeah, there we go. That looks better. So building this in WordPress for the app so that user registration and so on will work. Okay, let's go to posts. No, appearance, customize. I want the site title to appear because this is just too bare. The login page is just too bare without this is not what I really want. Global header settings. What is going on? I know there's a menu here that I need. oh, maybe I need this. Yeah. Oh no, it's not menus, it's the header and then site identity or layout. No, header. Change header color, change menu, change logo. No, no, no. Maybe it's under change logo. Ah, okay. Show logo. Make it a little bit smaller as well. I want it to be, try 80. So if I go here, yeah, that looks a bit better. So people can go on and create an account. They can also log in if they need to. That doesn't need to say log in there. So I'm going to go to the app.test10x.com. So I'm going to disable the title, the Neve settings, disable title, save, refresh that. Okay, that looks okay. Next what? If you're not logged in, it takes you to the login page. This is really small, but anyway. On the main site, I need to edit this. So I need to change the menus. So appearance, menus. Yeah, that's okay. Delete that. So blog is fine. I need a custom link. Yeah. HTTP. Why can't it just let me put in app.test10x.com /login. Fair enough. Call that. And I'm going to give this title case. Capital L for login. Save menu, and I think I want the login, register, and blog in that order. Not really worth spending too much thought on, I think. Login, register, blog. Oh, that's nice. Okay. That works. And that works. I want to disable the footer site-wide maybe. Or edit the footer might be a better idea. Test10x.com blog, nothing there. What just happened here? So for some reason, the register page is gone really strange. I don't want Lightbox, so that's under this plugin, I think. Oh, wrong site. app.test10x.com. Yeah. So that's under users WP settings. I think there's a setting for that lightbox. So maybe here. Yeah, disable that. Save changes. Now, where's this page for register? And why is it? It seems correct. /register. Okay, that looks correct. And if I go here, refresh, create account. Okay, that looks good. Okay, now I need to make this software actually work on my local computer, so I can then also let's just see if I can register here. So Dominic at kilowatt.ie. Do I need to make this secure? I don't think so, but I'm going to anyway. Use a securely generated password that you can all see. Okay. So, right, okay. I'm just going to put it like this. app.test10x.com, and we have test user Dominic at kilowatt.ie, and the password for that user is going to be something random. Yeah, I don't think this is the most security critical thing, but there we go. Create account. Account registered successfully. No way. Oh, why does it not redirect me to the login page? That's really bad. Okay. So none of this stuff is going to work yet because emails aren't set up, but I do have an account, which means I can go to, well, I already could go to, what's it called? app.test10x.com/ideas. Yeah, okay. And now what I can, brilliant, yeah, now I have WordPress user set up, so there's a big difference, because what I can now do is add some PHP. That means that you can only access this URL if you're logged in to WordPress. So what I can do is go to here, yeah, and that's a folder. Okay. Okay. ls, so cd app, no, ls minus l is what I need to do. More space. So data Dominic. So I have to change the permissions. So it told me that didn't work, but it looks here like it did work. So in templates, I need to look at this is layout or header, either one. Probably layout first, or is it? I will just try it in layout. So I need to edit. I need to only allow users that are logged in with WordPress to view some pages. Please modify the following code to display a message to non-logged in users that they must log in or register. Provide links to test10x.com/login and app.test10x.com/register respectively to non-logged in users. For users who are logged in, please for users who are logged in, please store their user ID in the variable $user_ID. Alright, so take this, and where is my, here it is. So Control A here, Control V, save that. Okay, so I am logged in. So if I go app.test10x.com/ideas, just like normal, but if I'm not logged in and I go there, oh, I am logged in here, so log out. Okay. Log out. Okay. And I go to ideas. Okay. HTTP. Didn't need that. Let's go like this. Okay. Save that. Log in. So don't like doing this, but You know what? SEO doesn't matter for this, so maybe it's not a problem. Yeah, that works. So where was I? User registration now works. So and it's 5:20. User registration works, and now I need to start editing my PHP to show the ideas that are relevant to the particular user. So ideas index.php. So so where idea grade is null, and when I went to the here, please tell me we do have user ID. Yeah, we do. That's good. Where idea grade, and okay, so now we need to replace this with a prepared statement. Also filter the ideas to only show those where the user or the column user ID matches the PHP variable $user ID. Why is it so long? Execute. So I'm just going to move this result equals this. So this is what we don't need to con prepare. Okay, so I'll show you my screen again. So this is the old version, and this is new. SQL equals this. Yeah, that's done. Don't need that. Do need this. And do need this. And fetch ungraded ideas. Nice. Okay. Doesn't seem right. Execute. Oh. Result equals this. So I have to replace my result with that. But where does this appear? SQL equals this. Say SMTT con prepare SQL. Missed that. Oh, really? Oh yeah. Is this something I have? No, but maybe I have DB Connect. Maybe that includes generates. Let's just quickly try and run it and see if it works. So what does that tell me? There was an error. So I'm going to have to open up DB Connect here. Without showing it to you, because it's got some passwords in it. Yeah, so our variable is not called $CONN, it's called $. It's called this thing. Okay, it's gonna work. It is. Okay. Who is it? Am I logged in as? I think. Yeah, because I am. Okay. But it's. So when I go here, new idea, submit, inspect, that goes to button. Where is the foreign point? Action equals here. Oh yeah, so there must be an insert here. No. Not here. What's this again? Ideas. New idea. So when I go to test10x.com and I go to new idea and I open this up, then what does this mean? Yeah, there should be an insert statement here, shouldn't there? Yeah, user ID. Oh, user ID is here. So then I need to open my. Oh, wait a second. Yeah. I want to have a look at this. Yeah, so here are the tables. Why is it like this again? Oh yeah, wrong database. So I'm just going to show databases for a moment. Hold on. What I can do is check what it was called again. So here I need to open up the secret document, and okay, the database is called test10x ideas. So I can go use in MariaDB test10x ideas. Okay, show tables, ideas, so select, so I can go clear, does that work? No. So I can go select Oh, there could be some passwords in here that I can't show. Select star from ideas. It's kind of messy. So I'll do that again. So we have first column is idea ID and second column is user ID. And it seems to be user ID is null in every single case. So it is 0 in every single case. So let's just check who the users are. And again, I'm sorry, it's one more thing that I have to hide here just in case there are some passwords on display. I can't remember how to check user IDs. I could put some PHP and just display them on the website. Okay. Okay. Let's make a second. Yeah, that's a good test. Let's make. Let's log in as. Okay, I'm gonna log in to here as and I have to get the password up as well. app.test10x.com, test user Dominic@kilowatt.ie, log in here, login. Okay, so if I create a new idea by Dominic@kilowatt.ie and submit. Now I look at the new ideas again. So there's a new idea added, but the user ID is still 0. Oh wait, user ID is 0 in WordPress means something, doesn't it? User ID. It's just a logged out user. Okay. So, this is considered a logged out user. This is a logged out user. Logged out user. Why is this? Because something's not working right in the PHP. So if I go here, no. If I go here, here, templates, footer layout. Yeah, this is the one. So why don't we, just for a test, echo user ID? And now app.test10x.com ideas 2. Okay, so that's good. So that's the right user IDs, but the problem is new idea. For some reason that's getting set to 0. So this is the page we have a problem with. End test, new idea, open up. Values 0. That's why it's a 0. Okay. User ID is 2. Okay, now we so that failed because this presumably wasn't recognized because layout.php was included too late. So why don't we just do this kind of manually, like this? No. Echo content. So this variable is coming in too late. So document root header, layout. Alright, just for the hell of it, what would happen if we did this, skip that, and DB connect. Okay, a new idea. Does not work anymore because layout.php needs to be, yeah, that's not good either. So uncomment that. So now the layout works. So instead of the layout including this WordPress stuff, that needs to be its own thing in templates. WP WP check. Include templates header. Check if WordPress is loaded. So I can just go back to the previous thing from ChatGPT if I still can see it here. Yeah. So this is my layout.php, and this is my stuff that I need to copy across to wp-check.php. So this stuff is the PHP that I will use. If the user is logged in, echo content, no. Else, and then okay, let's see. Am I logged in? Presumably, yes. Okay, it's all really messy now. I don't like this. Oh yeah, because I have to include this in my layout.php. Check that. The user is logged in. Insert the content of each page dynamically here, and oh yeah, insert the footer here. But this is actually two things. So insert the header. Beautiful. Templates. WP check. Okay. New idea. Resend. No, ideas. New idea. Idea by user 2. Submit. Nope. Well, we do have one idea by user 2, so that is some level of success. You also have to write ideas. but just one. It hasn't added any more there. So time to check my errors, I think. Okay, so cd var log. So I want to go to the end of this and check what the most recent error was. It was very recently unquat SQL exception. Check your manual near another idea. SQL syntax error. Line 1, index.php. So it says I have a syntax error. What could that be? Why is this? Oh, I don't really know, but this one seems like the odd one out. So maybe something's wrong there. Didn't fix anything yet. New idea. What is this again? If it's post, insert into this, that, and otherwise we get a form. Do we have another syntax error, or do we have a different error? So many errors on this page. Control End to get to the bottom of them. So I think that's a new error. Undefined variable user ID. Oh, because I forgot to include templates. Really? Why is this here anyway? Yeah, that was never needed. DB Connect, and yeah, so I need to include templates wp check.php, new idea. So that idea got added to the table. So that's definitely progress. And now I bet that we need to do the same thing. So we need to go through all of these and add the WP Connect thing. So and we don't need that, do we? So this is yes, there it is. Those are just the ideas for the logged in user. Oh, fantastic, fantastic. Time is ticking along. but progress is also so. Next, what do I have to do? I have to go through every single file, one of these custom files, and I have to remove the show ID thing. Or I don't know, that only comes up once. I have to go through every file and put in this WP thing instead of the header thing. So, copy this. No. Control C, delete that. Control S. So, I open up. So what do I need to go through? I think I need to make a proper list here. That's decided already. So I have to go through ideas. No, I'll go through it like this. So I have to go through, I don't need it in CSS. Edit. End test, yeah. Ideas, yeah. New idea, yeah. Results, yeah. Strategy, yeah. Templates, no. Testing, yeah. Okay. So, first edit. Index.php, db connect, yeah, that's good, and now I need to do that. Save, close. Done. On to end test. Only one file there as well. Save and close. That's done. Save. Now on to ideas, where we have 4 different files. So we have delete, edit, grade, index, and start. So I can open all 4 of these. So here, add it to delete, add it to edit grade, add it to this, and add it to that. And now the problem is I'm going to also have to go through all these SQL statements to do exactly the same thing. But that can be done. It'll take no more than 10 minutes. So on to new idea, index, and templates. Okay, that's already done. And I'm going to close this because there's so many things open on it. Now I go to results, index. Okay, and now I need to go to strategy. Yeah, and I need to also use prepared statements all over the place because I don't want SQL injection. Especially because I am really tempting fate here by building all of this in public. I kind of doubt my wisdom. But anyway, header.php, okay, so strategy is done here, and testing. Please don't hack me, guys, please don't. header. Okay. So now we have to go through all of these again. Well, no, let's check that it's working first. Strategy. Oh, doesn't seem. Oh yeah, because I didn't update the SQL statements. Of course, it doesn't work yet. So, well, I've already done. No, so previous one? Yeah, this one. Okay, so grade is null. So yeah, that was just first I want to check what is going on here with this tutu ideas slash ideas. Is it happening only that page? Good. So app10x.com ideas templates. Okay. Whereas oh yeah, I just did the same thing in here twice. What else was up there in other files? It was the header and then the database thing. Whereas, is that needed because DB Connect, does that appear in the template itself? Oh wait, it needs to be here. This is for connecting to the ideas thing. Never mind, it's in twice. Milliseconds do not count in this situation. So let's just see if I log out. Beautiful. Okay, log in. Dominic at kilowatt.ie. Log in as that, and password is. What's my password? So I just have to open up my password here. WordPress test 10x app.test 10x demo user here. Log in there. Okay. So I'll leave this here for a little while longer. It's kind of handy. Oh yeah, I need to go through all of these files. Except this one. And I need to put in a prepared statement and also filter by user ID. So is null and this, that. So if I open up, this is my, where's my template? Oh yeah. Ideas index.php. Yeah, there it is. user ID equals question mark and then this stuff instead of whatever else. So I copy that and I go to ideas delete. So I go here, ideas delete. Yeah, so that needs to be a prepared statement first off. Idea ID equals this. And user ID equals that. Okay. So now we prepare that, bind I don't know if this is right syntax. Somebody knows. I know who knows. Is mostly correct. Is that like if they are both integers? They are. Yeah. Your code should work as expected. Nice. Wait, why did it look different? Insert into the insert into some table. Insert into ideas. No, delete from. Yeah, I think it's okay. So refresh this. Inspect. So here's the thing. So this user owns ideas 23 and 24, but not 22. So if we inspect this, it'll say link delete ID 23. So if well, let's just delete this first and see if this works. Here and user ID. So I didn't prepare this statement right. Okay, what if I do it like this? Bind param. Okay. MySQL, yeah. Oh, it included an error message. Fantastic. Okay, delete. Is this the right file? Delete.php, ideas/delete.php. Near that, delete from ideas where idea ID, is that a real column? Idea ID, user ID, it is. Oh, wrong order. Okay, slow. I don't know if there's any way around it though. Is it get ID? Idea ID equals that. SQL delete from ideas where ID equals that, and user ID. There's supposed to be a space there. So it says error, but it actually did delete it. Yeah, it did delete it. So why is it spitting out an error? So new idea. You have an error. Okay, all of this is going straight into ChatGPT, and we're going to ask it the following code works to delete the selected entry. However, it returns an error to the user instead of redirecting to the required page. What could be causing this? Okay, final revised code, that's all we need. Control A, Control V, Control S, delete. New idea. Beautiful. So I was really slow. I don't want it to be this slow going through every single file at that kind of speed. because we have a lot of files to get through. So and we have to check something as well. So just go here. So I'm going to try and delete idea number 22. Okay, app.test10x.com / ideas / delete.php and id equals 22. Or no record found to delete. Yeah, that's okay. That is okay, because whereas if we go like this, 27, but it did delete it. Ideas / delete.php. What was it? 29. I should be able to delete 29. Now for some reason it sent me to default page. Because it's meant to send me to the referrer, which is okay. But here's the thing now, right? That worked. But if I tried with 22, this should not delete it. Indeed it doesn't. So that's fine. So that code works. Now here's the thing. I need to get, let's see where our progress is. Delete, that is okay as well. So edit grade and start. I need to edit the PHP on those so that they delete and edit grade. I'll open both of those together. See how they compare. Delete on the left, edit grade on the right. So this is the critical stuff here, at least from here. So we need to get to the point of STMT close. Well, this is already a prepared statement. Idea grade set where, okay, so we can just, where idea ID equals that and user ID equals other. DII idea ID dollar user underscore ID. Okay, that's much nicer. Here, so grade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, save ideas strategy. Yeah. Whereas ideas, and user ID equals that. Yes, yes, yes. This works. This does work. So it's really dark here. I'm gonna get a little lamp. Nowhere to plug it in. Okay, next best thing. It's going to be a little bit far away. But better than nothing. All right. Yeah. Would it be better to switch this off? Not really. Could take off the lampshade. Okay, lampshade is finicky. I don't have time for this mess around. So it's just going to be the way it's going to be. Like this. So this is already prepared statement ID, user ID, confirmed, edit grade is good to go. So am I doing this working backwards? So wait a moment. So the ones I have, so nothing is strike through. Yeah, so the ones I have done are delete, edit grade, and index. Don't need this. So I need to open start now and look for a prepared statement. No, it's not a prepared statement. So set start date equals and so then we go all the way to so this is going to be QUERY, and then this goes here, and we just have idea ID equals that, and user ID equals that. So D, no, that's for what? What was it previously? Beautiful. So this is going to be, oh, current date. Okay. SSSI and end date. So it's SII. Start date is current date. Idea ID, user ID. Super. Set update ID is set start date equals this, where idea ID equals that and user ID equals that. And error up. Okay, so start an idea now and see if that works. Ideas, new idea, give it a grade, strategy, start experiment. Okay, testing. So the one TW, yeah, there it is. So that seems to work. So I'll just confirm that where and user ID was that user ID. Okay, so that's another one off the list. So now our edit page, index, super. So we have a prepared statement here, and all I need to do is three things, where idea ID equals that and user ID equals that, and the second integer second integer there, and finally we have user ID. My voice is I'm talking really quietly because my voice is starting to get a little bit sore. My throat is getting sore, I should say. So what did we just edit there? Edit. So here we are, ideas. Okay, strategy, edit. So it's going to be -101 on the grade, let's say. Save changes. Edit, idea ID equals 18 idea grade. This is a done idea. Okay, that did not work. So I didn't get any error. Didn't yet filter this. So idea is, let's just add a new idea to edit and edit this. Save changes. Yeah, so that is working. The problem is this page is not filtering. Oh, that actually shows us even more that the edit thing is working. So, so that's confirmed as well. So all of these are done. Edit is done. End test is it done? No, but it's not going to take long. And user ID equals, I'm really glad that these are already prepared statements. Otherwise this could really be a long chore. So end test, let's see, testing, end experiment for the thing called G. 1000, and very good. Now it didn't do anything because probably this isn't actually owned by this user. So let's give this a grade and let's move it on to start experiment. It's in testing now. End experiment. Yeah, so that did work. So this is also done. New idea. Insert user ID. Yeah. There is no select, there is no anything except check they're logged in. What if they weren't logged in? Then it would go to templates, WP check, and then it would just bring them to the login screen. Better ensure that. So yeah, even if I added, yeah, it's not going to work. So WP check, just open that to be certain. Include if user logged in, this user ID is that, echo. Don't need this anymore, and otherwise log out. Gives us this page, and exit, importantly. Yeah. Okay, so where am I at? New idea, that's done. Let's make sure it is a prepared statement, isn't it? No, it's not. It should be. So we need to edit that. think this is going to be the only insert, so might as well just use an update here. So this stuff we don't need anymore. Query is insert into the last one is going to be this thingy. Insert into ideas, user ID, values, this now, where idea ID equals that, and you, no. There's no where about it, is there? Yeah. Yeah. And now I have user ID. Let's get rid of all of this. Start afresh. User ID. Idea, name. Idea description, creation date, so so we have S, description S, and after location is going to be ideas. I don't. It's a little bit dangerous, isn't it, to display this error publicly. So where are my web browsers? Here, yeah. No, Dominic at kilowatt.ie, and I don't want to. I just want to log in here, nice and simple. app.test10x.com/ideas. Okay, so now user1 idea. I think this is the username. Okay, check my error log. On my other screen, control end, PHP. Fatal error, uncaught argument, count error, the number of variables 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the prepared statement, new idea index.php, line 14. Right, so I don't know what's wrong. Oh, hold on. Whoopsie. Okay, now see what's wrong. Uncaught argument count error. The number of variables must match the number of parameters in the prepared statement. On line 12, bind param. Okay, so here we go. And I think admin has the username 1, so creation date cannot be null. So why would this be null? Yeah. Okay. See if I can break something with that apostrophe. Okay. Oh yeah, now I also need to do this. Here we go. Refresh, resend. Okay, let's see what the error is. Fatal error. Call to a member function. Okay, so something about this line 12. 2, 3. Oh, wait a second. Is it, no, what's it called? Not current time. It's, speaking of current time, the time is ticking around. But I think I might get this done just ahead. Database creation. So we have creation date. That's the one. Eleventh time lucky. Okay. So what was that all about again? New idea with a prepared statement. That was it. New idea. Admin's idea. So that should be displayed with so if post that, else, oh no, so this is just ideas index.php. That's this kind of little stuff that could stop me. HTML special cars. Okay. Maybe we need to admin's idea. It got DA. Improper escaping of special characters. No. Oh, strip slashes. Post value. If it's on past with slashes, you might need to. Oh wait, where do I do that? Value is HTML. So dollar post the thingy. So here. End test, edit, start, edit, great. Where's my add idea? Ideas, no. New idea, index.php, here. Okay, real escape string. What's that? Okay, let's see if that's any better. Here we go. Almost. Almost. What can I do? Oh, is this to prevent SQL injection? Oh, idea if idea name nice. What? That is this prevent SQL injection. So what I can do is this, because I'm using prepared statements. Okay, what if this was just like that? Would it be better? So where am I supposed to use this? Quotes. So, new idea, and I have to put in this stuff as well after the square bracket. Here, Control V, save, refresh. Oh, wait a second. Ah. So that's now what I've got. What if I just don't do that? So now I've got an escape character. Idea name, post idea name, okay. Insert into that. So it probably goes into SQL correctly. What's wrong is how it's getting read out of SQL. So ideas, select that from that. Yeah, so now idea name, strip slashes, that sounds like what I need. And if anybody watches this, they probably spent the last 20 minutes thinking, how the hell can you not have figured this out until now? Presuming that it does work. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Okay, so there. Do I have to go through everything? Ideas, strategy. So if I grade this as a 235, yeah, I do. I have to go through ideas, strategy, testing, results. And what if I go here, edit, and then I have to go through everything, put in strip slashes. Right, let's do it. So, yeah. So it has to go through. So I next need to go into results and just check that the thing is a prepared statement, and that is checking user ID. So select from ideas. No, we need to make this so this is analogous to results index.php. That's analogous to ideas index.php. So yeah, this is my new stuff. From SQL to results. SQL to results. So that's the old, that's the new. Difference is yeah. Select star from ideas for idea. Yeah. So the comment is wrong. Fetch user ID. Select star. So that's done. Now we have to go to strategy. And it's going to be the same thing. We copy this stuff. Put that there. Just put this in here. Get rid of this. And user ID equals that. And get rid of this. And yeah, nice. Nice and easy and quick. Just look at strategy and have a quick look to make sure it seems right. Yeah, we'll come around to the strip slash in a while. Last one, I think, testing. So, and user ID is that. Delete this. Okay, and go to results. No. Results here. Okay. So strip slashes are a problem, but testing, I mean, this stuff is done. So what I can do is go here, test10x.com. I wonder if some of these things, I'll just try open in terminal, grep HTML spec. A lot of WordPress stuff has it as well, so has it to be done manually. And should I also have HTML special cars in there? Oh, you know what? I'm out of juice. I need a break. Progress is good. Nearly all the functionality is in place. So I'm going to take a break, and probably not going to hit this 24-hour target, but probably I'm going to get version 0 out tonight. So just running slightly over time.